In this video, I'm going to teach you how to upload bank statement in Payoneer. So typically, a bank statement was asked on your Payoneer if they detect unsuccessful or fraudulent activities on your account. Additionally, it is used to verify your actual profile and your actual information as well. So if your newly created account is getting those bank statement requests, then to upload them, you just need to head over to the Pioneer Support Center and upload them directly from there. You should be able to see some verification center and you should be able to just upload the needed files from there. It will give you a resolution as early as 1 day and it will give it to you as well. So under there, you just need to actually get your bank statement, or if you wish to request bank statement directly from Pioneer, you can proceed to actually go over to your account and then look for the available statement and download the ones that you need. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you.